Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I am going to upgrade my Ubuntu version from 18.04.5 to 20 point something, or you can say it to latest version. I thought that why not share this experience with you guys so that you can upgrade your Ubuntu by yourself. First of all, we will check what version of Ubuntu I have got here. To check the present version, we need to check about. Here you can see the about option is here. Now let's click on about. See, I have got 18.04.5 LTS version. Now I am going to upgrade it from this version to latest one. Let's start. First of all, we need to switch into our terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. Here it is. First of all, I need to upgrade the existing Ubuntu. For that I need to type sudo apt update. It will ask for your password. It will take a while. Now, one package can be upgraded. Run apt list upgradable to see it. We don't need to see it. We just need to upgrade the applications. Now type sudo apt upgrade. Yes. The speed of this process will depend upon your speed of internet and your system resources. Now we are going to upgrade our installed Ubuntu. For this, first of all, let me clear the screen. Sudo do dash release dash upgrade. It is checking for new releases. Once it found new release, it will start downloading and installing Ubuntu new version. Now it is asking that do you want to start the upgrade. What are the options? 3 installed packages are no longer supported by Canonical. You can still get support from the community. 16 packages are going to be removed. 307 new packages are going to be installed. 1469 packages are going to be upgraded. You have to download a total of 1207 MB. This download will take about 1 hour 5 minutes with your connection. Installation Installing the upgrade can take several hours. Once the download has finished, the process cannot be cancelled. Let us press yes. Yes, we need to upgrade our Ubuntu environment, and hit and go. Yes. It is asking to press enter to continue or control plus C to cancel. We are going to press enter. Now it is fetching data from internet. It will take about 1 hour and couple of minutes. It totally depends on the speed of your internet connection and system resources. It will take too long, that is why I am pausing the video. Once it finished, I will resume again. Now downloading has been completed and it is upgrading the operating system now. It will take some more time, that is why I am pausing the video again, and will join you as soon as this process is finished. Now it is installing Snap Store. My Ubuntu has now been upgraded. I have restarted the system. After restart, it appears like this. Now we check the version of our Ubuntu. Now it is Ubuntu 20.04.2 LTS. The process has been successfully completed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you will be able to upgrade your Ubuntu by yourself. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. If you learned something, then please consider subscribing, sharing, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.